so we ate the Reese's and I didn't get to. It fell on the floor, so this is the remains of the heart.
And this is the wrapper.
The wrapper.
It smells like chocolate.
Get it? The wrapper.
Like M&M.
Oh, I was thinking something else, but okay. You guys are probably thinking, what the heck happened right here? I was fishing for some fries and some hot grease spilled on me, so it's like all red right here and all nasty, and it's disgusting. Can you get closer? We like Evening. We are from far, far away.
No, we're not. From small town Illinois.
Everywhere I go, there's always no.
It hasn't started yet.
Got a weenie daddy love to show. 1, 2, 3, stare contest, go.
I lose.
I win again.
We never know. They could have beat you.
They suck live. Not really.
Who sucks like?
Oh, Tyler, I stole your socks. And they're so comfy. Oh my god. Let's get this party.
You like that, Katie?
No, I didn't.
Can't find my phone. Just kidding. I'm done.
Hi, everybody. When I start drinking, Mike does all my thinking. Oh, no.
Who thinks we look like?
I think we do. Besides the fact that you're whiter than me.
So what if I'm whiter than you?
But eventually when your hair fades a little bit, it'll be scary.
Yes. Agreed. What if I got my window pierced?
You look like me.
What if I got my lip pierced?
You're hurting my leg.
I'm sorry. I forgot I was open.
It's okay.
You need to shave.
Who doesn't need to shave? That's the question.
I do.
Ooh, Mountain Diesel.
Good idea.
Alright, let's try to see who can burp really loud.
Okay.
1, 2. Unlike Sam, mine has to process or else I'd be burping like nonstop, but she gets to go first. That's 1. I feel under pressure.
Nobody's pressuring you, Katie.
The video's ready. Alex, the video's ready for you. So, we're going to say goodbye, but first we want to say all 4 of us are single, and we're going to have a party.
With
and
Asian.
And we're going to get the...
Lick on.
No, that's Savannah and Alex. I get... So, I love Savannah. Alex, I love you. And wait, I got to burp. Oh.
I got a burp too. It's like bubbling.
Oh.
I won.
It's up to them who decides who won, so.
We'll see.
Bye, guys.
So comment and tell us who won.
Dear Lord. Pick me, because you guys love me more.
No. I'm cooler than you.
I love you guys. Bye. Bye. Here, put that in my bag.